Instagram is one of the most popular social media platforms in the world, with over 1 billion monthly active users. In 2022, it is expected to have a net worth of more than $100 billion. With all that being said, I know most of us, if not all, are also active on Instagram, watching and sharing photos and videos, and we use this app to pass time. But what if I tell you that you can make money on Instagram? Here are 3 foolproof strategies to make money on Instagram. But before we begin, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel as well. Hit that notification bell button so that you will get notified whenever a new money-making video from our channel comes out. Also, share this to your friends and family so that you and everyone else will know this great tip to earn money. If you have any questions, concerns, or opinions about the video, just leave a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. In the past few years, Instagram's endless feed of gorgeous photos has evolved into something between a glossy magazine, your best friend's taste, and a boutique shop. Instagram is a platform for aspiration, inspiration, and, now, in-app purchasing. So, how exactly are we going to make money from Instagram? Buckle up, because here are the 3 major ways to make money on Instagram. Strategy number 1 is to host sponsored content. An Instagram-sponsored post might be the first thing that comes to mind when you hear the phrase Instagram influencer. As of early 2019, there are over 500,000 active influencers on Instagram. The base requirement here is a decent to impressive follower count and a competitive engagement rate. In other words, this strategy is for you if you're good at making strangers on the internet like and trust you. The appeal of this strategy is that it involves marketing without any of the headaches of e-commerce. It doesn't require you to create a product or fulfill orders. In a perfect world, all this entails is just being yourself and posting about the products, services, or brands that make your life what it is. Of course, there's a downside. Not all brands are born equal, and it might not be bounce knocking on your door at first. Plus, there are tons of scammers out there targeting aspiring influencers. Even if you succeed with a sponsored content route, you'll probably need to reflect on the balance between your integrity and your revenue. It's your personal brand on the line after all, and people trust authenticity. You'll need to put every brand who wants to work with you through a rigorous "Does this fit my brand?" test. Strategy number 2 is to become an affiliate marketer. Unlike sponsored content, this strategy is less about spreading awareness and more about making sales. This is because you can only make money when your followers actually buy the product. On the plus side, as an affiliate marketer, you don't need to worry about producing that product or fulfilling orders. The downside is that this strategy requires a solid strategy if you want to grow without annoying your audience. Also, the term affiliate marketing has a bad reputation. It can be associated with scammy promises of 7-figure monthly incomes and more approached. Ethically, affiliate marketing is actually a smart and well-established angle on marketing. You recommend your favorite pens or mascara or dog food and provide either a link to buy the product or else a promo code with a small discount. Both the link and the promo code are unique to you, so the merchant can track sales back to your efforts. Meanwhile, Instagram is introducing product tags and Instagram checkout. Instagram makes it easier for customers to buy. Affiliate marketers may well see their sales increase. Strategy number 3. Create and sell your own goods. The third strategy for making money on Instagram goes beyond marketing and into the realm of actual e-commerce. Rather than using your personal brand to sell other people's products, sell your own. This might be a coffee table, book, or your most popular photos, but it could also be your time and advice as a consultant or your high-end fashion line. And if you already own a business, selling on Instagram is an obvious addition to your marketing strategy. Turning your audience into your customers may well be a natural fit, and with the rise of e-commerce platforms like Shopify and print-on-demand services like Printful, it's increasingly simple to run an online business that delivers real-world products. I hope you have benefited from this video and take something back with you. That's all for today. I hope you learned something from this video and that I was able to help you find a new way to earn money online. As always, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel as well. Ring that notification bell button so that you will get notified for our next videos. Stay tuned for our next video and I'll see you there.